Okay, so let's quickly get into the main topic here. This is APatch, which is a replacement for Magisk and KernelSU. I got a lot of comments regarding APatch to make a video on, so here it is. How to install and which are the things to keep in mind. We will talk about all of those things in this video. Click on patch, write a super key, and that could be anything. For example, in this case, I'm choosing 1234. You have to select the boot image for the existing custom ROM. For example, in my case, I'm using a modded MIUI ROM. So I have to extract the boot image first. So make sure you have a boot image for that particular custom ROM, whichever you're using right now. In case you don't have, you have to unpack that custom ROM to find out boot image. Without boot image, you can't do anything. So first step is boot image. So in this case, after patching the boot image, this is the boot image what we have. This is it in the download. This is actually in the download folder. So move on to the custom recovery. Create a new backup for boot image. Why so? Because in case this doesn't work, you must have that backup in case you need that. Now select that patched boot image file, select boot, and this is it. It's done. It's very easy, and now your device is rooted. It's quite simple. It's quite interesting. So in this case, it's rooted. Let me just reboot my system once. Keep this thing in your mind that this should work on only some of the custom ROMs right now and some of the kernels. Make sure your custom ROM boot image supports that, and as it is in initial stage, so things might not be as good for you as you were expecting, but in the future this could be a great thing and a great replacement even of KernelSU. Magisk was great. Now KernelSU is also something really amazing. APatch could be one step further, because after using this thing, this is looking like it's better than KernelSU, because KernelSU only works with the latest kernels, as you can see. Now click on super key, write the super key. For example, in this case, I am typing 1234 once again. After doing this, click on OK. As you can see, it's working. Click on install. It's done. Yes, it is done. It's done. Nothing else to do. And my device is now rooted. My custom ROM is now rooted. It was so easy to do. And as I just mentioned, it should work with only few of the custom ROMs right now. I tried it in some of the custom ROMs, in MIUI, in some other devices. It was working for some, it was not working for some. But yes, in case if it is working for you, cheers. In case it is not working for you, don't worry. It might be working for you very, very soon. For example, because for some of the users who don't know if my device is rooted or not, let's move on to the root checker once and see if root checker is there and if it is working fine or not. If in this case my device is rooted or not, all the queries I'm going to talk about here. So as you can see, root checker is almost downloaded here. By the way, it is exactly same like KernelSU, could be similar to KernelSU. So what you have to keep in mind, it will not grant root permission by default. You have to move on to the app. Now move on to the super user section, refresh it, select this app, which means root permission is granted. So if I open this and see and click on verify root, my device is now rooted. As you can see, it's quite simple, quite amazing, and now it's also a very great thing that you can use APatch instead of Magisk or KernelSU. One more thing about this one is regarding the safety net status. This is also one of the things to keep in mind if safety net status is passing or etc, because it's almost similar to KernelSU. So what you were expecting, safety net in this case should pass. Let's click on run safety net attestation. It's passing without having any issues. Quite interesting thing. So it was just a small tutorial. For more things, for more updates, make sure to subscribe this channel. I will let you know about APatch. A lot of new things are coming soon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.